Founder and CEO of Thinking Parts, which is an IT development and consulting firm, and CTO Mobilox Innovations. He has over 10 years of experience in IT. I kindly request our guest of honor, Mr. Vikrant Pawar, to address the audience and share his views.
Thank you. So it's a great pleasure for me to meet individual like Mr. Shankar. And it's an honor that you guys have called me here, and Vedita ma'am especially. Extending what I've heard from Mr. Shankar, extending from there basically, or what I wanted to say today is about ideas are there. So if I ask a simple question in this room that how many of you have an idea that you believe will change the world, maybe change yourself, or maybe change the society? If I just ask the simple question, how many of you believe that you have an idea in mind? Some idea that you believe that, yeah, so not many. So having an idea is one step. Selling the idea or taking the idea to the market is another step, and which is the most challenging step. To understand how ideas are sold or how ideas actually come into picture, I will just like to take you a few decades back. Maybe 25 years back, in 90s, selling an idea was driven by a motto called publish or perish. So to sell an idea, you should be good enough to publish your ideas. And it was a very specialized role of academic individuals and scientists and researchers who were able to do this. They were able to publish white papers, they were able to publish documents, they were able to create presentations out of the ideas, and that was one way of taking the idea to market. In late 90s and till now, I will say 5 years back, the another way of taking the ideas to life came up, which I will call it as demo or die. So now just writing white papers or creating presentations of your idea is not good enough. You need to create some demo. You need to create some prototype. You need to create some workable model. You need to show a proof of concept, as I say, and take that proof of concept to individuals who potentially have some money, potentially have some intent to invest in your idea. So the likes of Kindle, the likes of Skype, the likes of even your iPods are product of the demo and die kind of a situation. The problem with demo or die is that it is demonstrated to a very selected group of individuals. So I create a demo, I show it to 10 people who are potentially interested in your idea or my idea, and they invest in that idea. Somewhere or the other, I believe that the dot-com boom bursting was also one reason, because of the demo and die attitude, that the solutions that were there at that point of time might not be the need of the time, might not be the need of the market, might not be the need of the people. But since there were a set of people, there were a set of individuals who were interested in buying or investing in the solutions, people were able to take those ideas to market, sheerly by demoing the capability of that solution. What has happened in last 5 years is, with the advent of success like Flipkart, WhatsApp, okay, which we use, they have become a way of life. and they are no more a utility. They are no more a solution which we seldomly use. What has changed from demo and die, when what I want you guys to adapt and implement, is the motto has changed now, and the motto has become deploy or die. So if you have an idea, if you have a solution, if you have a problem statement to be solved, creating presentations or documents of your idea, or even creating a demo of the solution is not good enough. You have to go one step ahead. You have to deploy that solution. You have to bring that solution to market. You have to test that solution, whether the actual users are going to accept that solution or not. So that is what I wanted you guys to see. Why I'm telling you at this point of time is because now technology is cheap, especially with the IT sector. Getting servers, hardwares, or infrastructure is not a big challenge. So getting the technology in market is not a big challenge. And the only solution that people are interested in investing at this point of time is something which works, which people are interested in using, where there is a market. So I want you guys to leave with one thought, that yes, we want to change the future. We want to bring new technologies which change the future. We have to be futuristic in our thought process. But to be futuristic, you have to first be nowist. You have to invest the time that you have. You have to invest the energies that you have to build solutions, to build technology, to build an environment to solve problems. Yep, that's it.
Thank you, sir. That